Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see what is the best way to hide my Snapchat story. So to do that, let's head over to our Snapchat application first. Once you are there, just tap on your Bitmoji on the top left, and here you will find the option of story. And here go to add to my story. And it is said that just for friends, and there is another option add to private story, and here it is created. And if you want to add or delete this private story or just delete it, and here you will find these two options, new private story or new shared story. So tap on new private story. Now just select the people you want your story to see. I'm just selecting these two, and tap on create story, and then just give it a story name. Just save it, and here you can just post on your private story, and thus your story will get hidden from specific people. So yeah, this is how you can just do that. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.